Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your essentials. First, plug into a wired connection and test ping. Lower latency matters because delay comes from packet travel. Once done, close heavy apps like browsers and cloud sync to free CPU and bandwidth. Then open Roblox Studio and reduce graphics quality briefly to isolate whether rendering causes stutter. You do this now to separate network versus CPU/GPU causes and to give clear data for the next, deeper troubleshooting steps. Once you've isolated the issue, run Roblox's microprofiler and time profiler to see where frames or ticks bottleneck. This shows whether scripts, physics, or rendering cause delay. Then fix common script culprits. Remove blocking waits in loops, debounce events, and reduce expensive table operations. Also review server versus client logic. Move non-essential computations to servers or use replicated storage smartly. Finally, ensure run service callbacks use the right event. Using heartbeat for physics aligns timing and reduces perceived delay. To finish, deploy your fixes and test with multiple clients, including a fresh account, so you confirm the delay is gone across setups. Then apply a controlled restart of the server or game process to clear cache states and watch performance metrics for consistency. If delay persists, inspect network hardware. Adjust MTU or CoS on the router, try alternate DNS, and contact your ISP if pings remain high. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.